Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we make custom stainless steel tags. This is what the tag looks like that we made. And the etching that you see here is actually done with the, try to get focus working one day. This is actually done here with the Galvo laser, which is a fiber laser source. And the tag itself is 5 inches by 2 inches with a 1/2 inch hole. Now there's 3 steps involved with making these here in the shop. The first step is cutting it with our plasma cutter, which you see next to me right here. What's wonderful about the plasma cutter is not only is it accurate, but it's also a lot of fun to use because you have sparks and fire everywhere. It's just an amazing tool to play with compared to all the other tools that we have here in the shop. As you can tell from all the various shots, I like to use material I have on hand instead of throwing it out. So in this case here, there are a lot of little empty spots between jobs that just build up, and this was the perfect size to fit in certain areas. Now it gets a little dirty after we do the plasma cutting, so the next step is actually just using an orbital. Really simple technology, but it produces a wonderful finish. Now of course we could go with higher grits, and what that does is give it more of a polish to almost like a mirror finish, but for industrial purposes this is probably even too nice as it is. And you can see the edge quality is really nice as well. There we go for the plasma. So we're not worried about really sharp edges. So this is what the tag looks like after it's been polished with the orbital. So it looks beautiful. I just love that finish. It's similar to what you get with a tumble, but a fraction of the speed. So that's what I generally do here for tags of all kinds that we do here for the customers. Now the next step, as I mentioned earlier, is the fiber laser etching. And the advantage of that is that it's not ink that we're applying to the metal, which means that there's nothing that's going to fade, crack, or peel, or come off in any way. It's the metal itself that is etched into it using our laser. Now the other advantage to that a lot of people don't realize is that when it comes to making custom welding tags, which we also do, when you're welding around what was etched, there's no effect at all. So it's not something that will peel off or be heat affected or anything like that. If we bend this plate, the etching bends with it. It doesn't crack or jump off or anything like that. if you're looking for custom welding tags or generally metal tags, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll cut them for you of any material, any thickness, any size, any design, and ship them right to your door.